In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable sound in Google Chrome. If you've ever been surprised by auto-playing videos or you just want a quieter browsing experience, Chrome gives you a simple switch to control sound across all websites. We'll walk through where that setting lives so you can turn audio on or off whenever you need, and I'll share a few tips to make sure the change sticks. With Chrome open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the menu. This is your gateway to all of Chrome's controls. From that menu, choose Settings. Chrome will open a new tab with your preferences, and everything else we need will be right here. On the Settings page, find Privacy and Security. This section manages what sites can do in your browser, including whether they're allowed to play sound. Click it to continue. Next, go to Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome groups permissions like location, camera, notifications, and of course, sound. Scroll until you see additional content. This area might be collapsed, so if you don't see sound right away, expand additional content to reveal more options. Once it's open, click Sound. You'll see a clear set of choices that control audio behavior in Chrome. To enable audio globally, choose Sites Can Play Sound. This allows websites to play media and alerts as normal. It's a good option if you want a full browsing experience, especially for streaming, calls, or online learning. To disable audio globally, choose Don't Allow Sites to Play Sound. This prevents sites from playing sound by default, which is great if you're working, presenting, or simply avoiding unexpected noises. Remember that this setting applies across the board, so music players, video platforms, and site notifications won't make noise unless you switch it back. After making your choice, you usually don't need to restart the browser. If a tab was already open and playing media, just refresh that page to apply the new setting. If something doesn't seem to change right away, double check that you selected the option you intended. A quick tip, Chrome updates can slightly move menu labels or layout. If you don't see additional content immediately, keep scrolling in Site Settings. Sound is still there, just under that expanded section. And if you often switch between quiet and full sound modes, remember this path so you can toggle it quickly whenever your situation changes. That's all you need to control sound in Google Chrome. Open the menu, head to Settings, go through Privacy and Security, into Site Settings, expand additional content, select Sound, and choose whether sites can or can't play audio. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more controlled browsing experience.